Your neighborhood do-it-best store is your best source for friendly service, expert advice, and innovative products like these. You're a contractor, pro tradesman, and you've got expensive tools out on the job site. You want to take great care of them. I'm with Paul from DeWalt. Tell us about this ToughSystem.
So great. So this is our new DeWalt ToughSystem storage unit. It's a fully modular, customizable storage unit. So the first thing that we're looking at right here is a DS450. It's the ones with the telescoping handle, the wheels, the deep box. And we'll open it up now to kind of see what's inside.
Yeah, show us.
So the first thing is, all our ToughSystems are IP65, so that means that they're waterproof and dustproof. So if you look inside, we have the waterproof seal all the way around the cover for it. Now the neat part about this is that when you shut this with the metal latches,
looks super strong.
Super strong. The biggest thing that we want to be able to let people know from an end user standpoint is that when it says fully customizable, we can actually add totes. So for example, our open top tote here, if it's in the ToughSystem family, goes right on top, latches right on.
Awesome. So I've got enclosed ones. I've also got kind of open, convenient, and other pieces as well, right?
Yes, exactly right. So at the end of the day, when guys go home, they need to be able to store this. So if they don't want to put it in their trucks, they want to be able to put it in their garage. And we also offer another solution for that. So one of the things that we have, if you take a look over here, is our racking system. So this is a fully customizable racking system, and the one thing that you notice is these brackets right here. These brackets are fully customizable as well. They can go up, down, you can take them away, but our ToughSystem family slide right on.
So you're making the most out of the garage real estate.
That's exactly right. There's plenty of space that you could put here if you go vertical.
That's so cool. And this is modular, all available at Do It Best, right?
Exactly right. Everything's backed in the warehouse. Like I said, the biggest thing from an end user standpoint, IP65, these things are tough.
That's awesome. That's the DeWalt ToughSystem, available at your neighborhood Do It Best. This is just a sampling of the more than 67,000 items available from your friendly neighborhood Do It Best store. Check them out today.